Hot Wheels friends on this rainy day. Today we are presenting Alfa Romeo 8C. This is Hot Wheels Exotics from 2017. It's old Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels Exotics 5 package. Green color, silver rims. Do you collect Hot Wheels? Which Hot Wheels would you like to see next? Please make comments down below. We are Hot Wheels collectors for over 5 years. Thousands of Hot Wheels. Each day new events, new streams, new videos. Please join us. This is main line. Do you collect Hot Wheels or Matchbox or Majorette? Toys and Game Channel. Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Majorette, and many others. This Hot Wheels is on giveaway, delivery in Europe only. Please email me. Please like, share, subscribe for more. See you in next video. Bye.